Hi guys, today we're going to create a beautiful Barat Day bridal look with Conatural Cosmetics. After some skin prep, we're going to apply foundation and then we're going to set it with a loose powder. Next, I'm going to apply some dark brown eyeshadow on the eyelid and I'm going to blend it upwards. Then I'm going to create a dark smudge line on the lash line and I'm going to apply some golden eyeshadow. I'm going to spread it evenly with my fingertip. Now I'm going to apply some pearl white eyeshadow on the inner corner of the eye and then I'm going to tighten the waterline of the eye with some dark brown eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to create a smudge line on the lash line of the eye for a smudge eyeliner look. Now I'm going to highlight the brow bone underneath the eyebrows and then I'm going to fill the eyeshadow. After that, I'm going to apply some lashes and some mascara. And then I'm going to contour the face and apply some blush and some highlighter. Now I'm going to enhance the lips with a brown lip liner. Next, I'm going to apply this beautiful, perfect nude shade from the Conatural Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Dusky Nude. Here's the final look.